In this video, I will show you a cool method to enhance your selections. Let's say, for example, I want to select this potato, so I'm going to use the quick selection tool. But as you can see, the selection is not good enough, and it will be tricky to adjust it using the quick selection tool. So I'll press undo, and here is what I'm going to do. I'll press right click and choose make work path to convert it to vector path, and the tolerance here determine how many points you want in your path. In many cases 2 as a default is okay, so I'll press OK. Now I will select my pen tool and modify it. After that, you can press selection here or simply hold Ctrl and enter to bring it back to selection.